Hello and welcome to history classes. This is class 9 Seba history textbook and we are doing chapter number 4, the Burmese Invasion of Assam, and today's topic is Maanor Din. I will be also discussing today the results of the Burmese rule. Okay, so let us begin the chapter. So the period from 1821 to 1825 is referred to as Maanor Din in Assamese history. So remember that 1821 was the year when third Burmese invasion took place. So between these years, Burmese or Dimans ruled Assam as they wished. Therefore, in Assamese history, it is known as Maanor Din. And during their rule, the Burmese unleashed a reign of terror. Okay, and they plundered and burnt down villages and committed atrocities on the people. They tortured people, killed people, okay, and they took the whatever the possession was there with the people, okay, and then because people were unable to bear the sufferings, bear this torture, they ran away from their villages or places. They became fugitive and wandered from place to place. Some even went outside the country and began to stay in the neighboring states or neighboring countries. And the period when many people fled from Ahom kingdom, it is known as Maanor Din. And during this period, what happened was that agriculture, trade, and commerce in Ahom kingdom really suffered. It means former Ahom kingdom or Assam. It really suffered badly. Why? Because people were fleeing from their homes and therefore cultivation was not taking place. Burmese had burned down the villages or cultivations, etc. Many traders were not able to trade. Businesses were shut down. Okay, so during such a period, torture, cruelty, or जब war होता है, then it happens that सबसे ज्यादा हिट किसको करता है इकोनॉमी पे. And what happened was that in this situation, तो Burmese in the guise of Burmese के arm में आकर some people committed atrocities who were not Burmese. They committed atrocities on the Assamese people. They were taking the advantage of the situation. And scholars or the writers of history, they say that Balanchandra was directly responsible for this Burmese invasion, which had unleashed reign of terror in Assam. But some scholars hold Purananda Buragohai equally responsible for this chaos. So what was the results of the Burmese invasion? First of all, the most important result was that 1600 years old Ahom rule was nearing its devastation. Ahom kings had come under the tutelage of Burmese because Burmese were installing the Ahom kings as they wished. So due to this, क्या हो रहा था कि कभी कोई भाग जाता था गुवाहाटी, कभी कोई बंगाल के टेरिटरी में भाग जाता था. अलग अलग किंग्स ऐसे ही चलता रहा. तो देयर वाज नॉट वन पर्टिकुलर किंग हु वाज रूलिंग आहम किंगडम स्ट्रांगली अराउंड दैट टाइम. सो इट वाज अ पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी. कभी कोई रूल करने आता था, कभी कोई. ओके, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट ठीक से द आहम किंगडम का जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, it was not running smoothly. So economy was also ruined. We have already seen that. So production of goods had declined, traders had shut down their businesses, social life be affected हुआ state का, and the most significant was the intervention of English East India Company because Burmese had occupied Assam and so it was very uncomfortable for the English uh, that Burmese were so near to their territory of Bengal. So they thought that Burmese could attack at any time to the English territories. So this chaos led to the First Anglo-Burmese War, and whereby English had successfully defeated the Burmese. And then there happened a Treaty of Yandabu. ओके, वॉर के बाद ट्रीटी ऑफ यांडाबू हुआ जिसमें बर्मीज के सामने ये कंडीशन रखी गई दैट दे विल विथड्रॉ फ्रॉम असम एंड द असम territory came under the ambit or the rule of British government.